For those of you in need of floor mats for your Cybertruck, I wanted to show you this kit. This is the 3-piece. There's also a 4-piece, so this is the front and rear. These things are laser cut. They are very thick, and they ensure that they fit like a glove. It's a TPE recyclable material. I would say it's at least a 1/4 inch thick. They are flexible to an extent. They are black. It's kind of like a matte finish. They definitely cut it out so that you got clearance of your pedal. When they ship to you, the rear one's folded up in the box, so it takes a little bit of time for this to flatten out, but no big deal. It's got some weight to it. There's the other side. They're nice. They got these little grooves. They got some texture, so they're definitely going to collect material in your truck. But if you need a set like this, they're definitely worth looking into. The quality is there, so check them out.